Welcome to another video in this channel, the Orlando Redhound. In this video, we will discuss how to solve quadratic equations using the principle of the square root. If we have x squared plus bx plus c, where bx equals 0, then our equation would look like this, where c is a non-negative numbers. Simplifying, we have here we see that c must be negative on the left side of the equation, so that when we transpose it to the right side it will become a positive number, since negative number has no real root. If we have x squared minus 49, we transpose 49 to the right side of the equation. Simplifying, we have x equals plus or minus negative 7. In our previous video, we mentioned that this type of an equation, where bx equals 0 or a special type of an equation. Another special type is where the c term is equals to 0 or the type x squared plus bx plus 0. Simplifying, we have x squared plus bx equals 0. We can find the solution by factoring out x from x squared plus bx equals 0 equation as shown. Then the solutions can be found by letting x equals 0 and x plus b equals 0. So the solutions are x equals 0 and x equals minus b. For example, if we have x squared plus 11x equals 0, the solutions are x equals 0 and x equals negative 11. So this concludes our video. You can watch my video regarding factoring on my channel and many others. Thanks for watching. Please support the channel by subscribing. See you next time.